You guys are distracting his priest.
Yo, is that thing flip?
It flipped like the thing.
The cockroach is dead. He's gonna eat it.
That's not a cockroach. That's a grasshopper.
A little grasshopper, right? He's gonna
The
eat it.
grasshopper? Yeah, you see. Oh,
He's gone. Oh,
Motherfucker!
oh my god.
Motherfucker, we recorded this.
You saw he did just backtrack like a car.
wow.
1, 2, 3. That was so fast.
Babe, I recorded this.
Hold up.
He looks like the frog is mad. It's looking at you.
Jolly's gonna eat you.
Yo, he fucking ate that shit.
You wanna eat my shoe?
Oh, Jolly has the little fungus thing. Don't touch it. Don't get it.
I don't think it's a toad. A toad's pee supposed to be.
Yeah, especially if you pee. Imagine you're gonna.
Babe, I can't believe he just ate that and we recorded
Let's
it.
get it. Get out. Let's get out. Let's get in
I
there.
can't believe we just watched that.
You want a model?
You saw he went like this. 1, 2, 3.
He turned around and then.
I got this here too.
He just went.
It's you can't even like. It was so
That thing is probably alive inside of the frog.
It is.
Like,
Also, the people know where we are. Look. You still there?
He's looking at us like, you're so tired.
He's like, oh my next
I swear to God,
target.